Welcome back to the channel. So 3 years ago, I started to drink AG1 every morning. And I made a 3-month update video for you guys, and a lot of you found it very helpful. So in today's video, after 3 full years, I have to ask, was it really worth it? Have I noticed any long-term benefits? Was it all just clever marketing? So back when I first started, I was super curious to see if AG1 could actually replace a multivitamin and make a difference. And after 3 months, I felt pretty good, and I did notice a big difference in digestion and energy. But does that feeling last, or was it just a placebo? AG1's formula has not changed that much in the past 3 years. The packaging and branding has changed a little bit, but the formula itself has remained the same. But they've also increased the price. So is it really worth it? So after 3 years, here's what I've personally experienced. My energy levels, well, they're still good, but they're not life-changing. Digestion, definitely better. I guess I've had fewer stomach issues for sure. So you'll often see a lot of big claims around AG1 relating to energy, digestion, and immunity. So for myself, I definitely noticed an improvement in energy, but nothing that's life-changing for sure. I never really had a lot of stomach issues, but I think AG1's definitely helped keep my gut in good health for sure. And then the last one, immunity. Well, I do have 3 young kids, and they are at school with a lot of other children and a lot of other different flus and colds and all of that. And I have to say that I have remained pretty healthy. Whether that's because I've been taking the AG1, I can't really confirm that, but I can definitely say that I feel healthier than I have previous winters when I hadn't been taking the AG1. So let's be real in this video, no product's perfect, and here's what I don't love after 3 years of taking AG1. First of all is the price. It definitely has a premium price versus other competitive products within this category. It's definitely a good product, but it's not going to change or transform your life overnight. And the taste? Well, you're either gonna love or hate the taste. I definitely hated it at first, but I've grown kind of immune to the taste now, so it doesn't really bother me. I wouldn't say I completely enjoy it. So here's the big question then. Would I still recommend AG1 after 3 years? The short answer to that is, well, maybe. If you can afford it and you want an all-in-one supplement, AG1 is definitely a solid choice. But if you're on a budget, there definitely are cheaper alternatives that may give you similar benefits. So after 3 years, have I continued to take AG1? Well, the answer is yes. I don't have the best diet, and I definitely don't eat as well as I should. So for me, I use AG1 to make sure that I'm getting all of the vitamins and minerals that I need to on a daily basis in a convenient way. So I would still definitely recommend this product because it gives you all of the vitamins and minerals that you need in a convenient 1 scoop dose, mix in water, and away you go. So for that, definitely I still highly recommend AG1. So there you have it. From my personal experience, after 3 years, I would still highly recommend the AG1 product, especially to those that don't have the best regular diet and they want to supplement to make sure that you're getting all of the vitamins and minerals that you need on a daily basis. This definitely still remains the #1 product in my mind anyway. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to check out the video of how I felt after my first 3 months, I'll link that up here. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.